Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. It's 1:25 p.m. coming out of the Twilight Zone now. I take a break during the Twilight Zone between around noon and 1:30 or so, sometimes 2, when things often get pretty quiet after the European session is closed and North America goes for lunch, basically. But there was a nice move during the Twilight Zone. You can see it here on the Dow, for instance, but all three did a little something here. The NASDAQ on the left, we have the S&P in the middle, and of course the Dow on the far right. Dow tapping into VWAP from the underside. The S&P has already blown through VWAP from the underside. And let me show it to you here. I think you know what's coming. The NASDAQ has blown through VWAP from the underside. Things are looking all of a sudden bullish. Tapping into 128, and here we go, guys, looking for a short. It's my 5th trade of the day. Got to be a little quick here. I would have had that on the last candle. It's too busy talking. 40 seconds left. I'm going to wait for this candle to close, guys, unless we get a pullback, in which case I will take this on the breakup itself. Give me one moment here. I'm just going to go to my own platform, make sure I can do this. Sell, stop. Nothing live yet. I will let you know what I'm doing. 18 seconds left, guys. 18 seconds left. And then I'll explain the whole trade idea in a moment. 13 seconds. It might be going without me. Two seconds. Okay, good. And now, guys, sell, stop below that low. Here we go. Order is live. I'll explain while I'm doing this. As soon as we get, and I'm in. And what I'm looking for here, guys, I'm only looking for about 40 points here, not even 35 points. The bottom of this piece right here, 35 points. It's a 1-to-1. Just trying to deal with my own platform here at the same time, guys. Thanks for your patience. And I will explain this to you in a moment. This will be a trend continuation trade. Patience. 33,183 is my target. 33,183 is my target. I'm just moving stuff on my own trading platform here. That was a big candle, wasn't it? That one down. That's the one I wanted to be in, actually, right there. Trade would have been over by now. But it's okay. I don't mind a late entry if the trade idea is still very much intact, and it is. It still qualifies as a really sound entry, and you'll see why here in a moment. 5th trade of the day, guys. Taking 2 gold shorts and 2 Dow shorts. I might edit out some of the dead air in this track, guys, because it's kind of grinding along here. I hope you don't mind me doing that. Do that for you, by the way, so you don't have to sit through. So what are we doing here, guys? Daily is bearish, but rejecting, right? Rejecting strongly, so we got this bullish move going on right now. Being patient. That actually should be a little bit higher, right about there, guys. And that's what I've done on my own platform. I use interactive brokers, by the way, for these types of trades, not for swings or position. Sorry guys, I'm looking at the sisters over here. Just stay on track with this. It's not feeling great all of a sudden. It's 1:31 p.m. Time of the day is important on this trade too. Back to the trading screen. And guys, we're back. I'm going to cut out some dead air in this one. There's a lot of grind, so do some editing for your sake here. And put you back on pause for now. And we're back, guys. Still waiting patiently. Came fairly close to a stop out there, but that's why I had my stop above that big gladiator candle there. Very important not to be in the middle of that, because chances are very high of being stopped out, if in fact you are. You can see why that's why I do that. Watching now, guys. Watching. Going to draw something here so you can see what my line of reasoning is here. The trend continuation trade from the big impulse wave down, corrective wave up, back to VWAP, penetration, just marginal penetration, and then a resumption of the trend down. You saw me do a trade or two like this from earlier today. The videos beside this one, and you will see the same sort of thing. Again, targeting 35 points. Just being patient. Tightening stop now. It's 1:41 p.m. Tricky time of the day. This is when the traders come back and start thinking about power hour, which doesn't start for another hour and 15 minutes or so. But because of that, if we can get a little drop below, I may even tighten this to break even. It's that time of day, guys, and this comes from experience to make that a very real consideration at this point. Here we go. If we can get a new low on here, I'm moving to break even. I'm happy to take a break even if that's what the market would like to give me. Watching. And now stop to break even, guys. Stop is to break even. Make sure my own. Yep. Watching. Watching closely now. Just need this to follow through. There's a very high chance of being stopped out on this one, and I'm okay with that. This time of the day. Power hour is a different story. Get a bit more juice in here, some caffeine, but I'll take that. I'll take that break even easily. Because at this time of the day, if the market is going to reverse back beyond here, then the trading idea has become largely invalidated because of the unknown pressures that come back into the market when the twilight zone winds down to an end here. Hopefully that makes sense. I know I'm struggling a little bit explaining it, but I think that will make sense to most. I'm moving this marker back up here, guys. So this is just a marker. I'm at break even on this trade. I just want to leave that marker there so that it can be seen on both of these screens for the sake of trade tracking. When I send it out to my group and post it on Twitter and things like that, the graphic is important. There. And driving down, guys, looking for 35 points on this, which is just inside this piece that you see here. Hopefully that makes sense, right? See that there? This is where that would be. And so I'm just above that. I think it would be easier if I did this actually, a straight line. Here we go. Rejecting a little bit here. It's been a good day, guys. Here we go. It's fifth trade of the day. 2 gold shorts, 2 Dow shorts, and now a third Dow short, or the fifth trade. So it's been an all shorting day. Patience now, waiting for it. I'm at break even. I'm not concerned about losing money on this trade, but I'd be a little concerned about giving it all back. But I'm happy to do it, because in the long run, the math only works if we stop taking profits early. And we're done, guys. Thank you for your patience. It's been a good day. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for clicking the like button. I'd love to hear from you. If you want to send me a quick hi and a quick wave on the comments, that would be helpful too. I appreciate you. Have an amazing afternoon and evening, and we will talk to you soon. Take care, guys.